Do these. 1. Answer the following questions. Conceptual understanding. 1. Where is Andhra Pradesh located? Answer. Andhra Pradesh is located in South India. It is bounded by Telangana in the northwest, Chhattisgarh in the north, Odisha in the northeast, Karnataka in the west, Tamil Nadu in the south, and the water body of Bay of Bengal in the east. 2. Describe briefly the history of Andhra Pradesh. Answer. Andhra Pradesh enters history as part of the Mauryan Empire. In the 13th century, the Kakatiyas dominated Andhra Desa. In 1323, the Tughlaq Sultan captured and ended the dynasty. Later, Aurangzeb routed the Qutub Shahis and appointed Asaf Jah the governor of the Deccan. Meanwhile, the Asaf Jahis made themselves independent rulers under the title of Nizam. The Nizams became involved in the Anglo-French wars and had finally entered into a subsidiary alliance with the British. Finally, on November 1, 1956, the new Andhra state was formed. But in February 2014, the Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act 2014 bill was passed by the Parliament of India for the formation of Telangana state comprising 10 districts. The new state of Telangana came into existence on 2nd June 2014. 3. How is the climate of Andhra Pradesh? Answer. Sometimes the climate is hot during daytime and cool at night. It is very hot during some months, very cold in some other months, and it rains in some months. The climate is generally hot and humid in summer and mild cool in winter. Annual rainfall is 125 centimeters. 4. Which crops are extensively cultivated in Andhra Pradesh? Answer. The crops extensively cultivated in Andhra Pradesh are paddy, jowar, bajra, ragi, maize, groundnut, chilies, tobacco, cotton, castor, and sugarcane. 5. What are the places of interest in Andhra Pradesh? Answer. Shipbuilding yard at Vishakhapatnam, Tirupati, Vijayawada, Guntur, Amaravati, Nellore, Vijayanagaram are the places of interest in Andhra Pradesh. 6. What are the important hills in Andhra Pradesh? Answer. The Eastern Ghats are spread from north to south. They have different names at different places. They are called Simhachalam Hills in Vishakhapatnam district and Papi Hills in East Godavari district. Nallamalai, Palakondalu, Erramalai, Seshachalam and Anantagiri Hills are also there in Andhra Pradesh state. 2. Fill in the blanks choosing the words from the help box. Conceptual understanding. 3. State whether the statements are true T or false F. Conceptual understanding. Four. Project work. Ask the students to collect the pictures of important places of interest in Andhra Pradesh and stick them in their project book. Do these. 1. Answer the following questions. Conceptual understanding. 1. Where is Telangana located? Answer. Telangana is bordered by the states of Maharashtra and Chhattisgarh to the north, Karnataka to the west, and Andhra Pradesh to the south and east. 2. Write about the Telangana movement and the bifurcation of Andhra Pradesh. Answer. Telangana movement. There have been several movements to revoke the merger of Telangana and Andhra, major ones occurring in 1969, 1972 and 2009. On 9th December 2009, the Government of India announced the process of formation of the Telangana state. Violent protests occurred immediately, but decision was put on hold. Bifurcation of Andhra Pradesh. In February 2014, Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act 2014 bill was passed by the Parliament of India for the formation of Telangana state comprising 10 districts from northwestern Andhra Pradesh. 3. How is the climate of Telangana? Answer. Telangana is a semi-arid area and has a predominantly hot and dry climate. Summers start in March and peak in May. The monsoon arrives in June and lasts until September. A dry, mild winter starts in late November and lasts until early February. 4. Which festivals are celebrated in Telangana? Answer. Ugadi, Pongal, Batukamma, Eid, Diwali, Holi, Vinayaka Chaviti, Moharram, Sammakka Sarakka Jatara, Bonalu are the festivals celebrated in Telangana. 5. Write a short note on the geography of Telangana. Answer. Telangana is situated on the Deccan Plateau in the central stretch of the eastern seaboard of the Indian peninsula. The region is drained by two major rivers, Godavari, Krishna, and several minor rivers such as the Bhima, the Manjira, and the Musi. Various soil types abound, including chalkas, red sandy soils, dubbas, deep red loamy soils, and very deep BC soils that facilitate planting mangoes, oranges, and flowers. 2. Fill in the blanks choosing the words from the help box. Conceptual understanding. Three. State whether the statements are true T or false F. Conceptual understanding. Four. Project work. Ask the students to collect the pictures of important places of interest in Telangana and stick them in their project book. 1. Answer the following questions. Conceptual understandings. 1. Where is Karnataka located? Answer. Karnataka is situated on the western edge of Deccan Plateau. It is bordered by the Arabian Sea to the west, Goa to the northwest, Maharashtra to the north, Telangana to the northeast, Andhra Pradesh to the east, Tamil Nadu to the southeast, and Kerala to the southwest. 2. Describe briefly the history of Karnataka. Answer. Karnataka was ruled by the Satavahanas, Kadambas, and Gangas prior to the Christian era. By the beginning of the 6th century AD, the Chalukyas established a new empire. After the Chalukyas, the Yadavas and the Hoysalas divided Karnataka between them. In the 14th century, the Vijayanagar Empire was established. The Muslim sultans destroyed the Vijayanagar Empire. In 1399 AD, Yudhiraya founded the Odia dynasty. The Wadiyars were overthrown by Hyder Ali. With the defeat of Tippu by the British, the Wadiyars were restored to power as a feudatory of the British. 3. What are the occupations of the people of Karnataka state? Answer. Farming, fishing, mining, machine tools, watches, telephones, aircrafts, and agarbatti industries are the occupations of the people of Karnataka state. 4. Which crops are grown in Karnataka? Answer. Rice, jowar, ragi, coffee, millet, groundnut, and sesame are the crops grown in Karnataka. 5. What are the places of interest in Karnataka? Answer. Garden City of Bengaluru, Palaces of Mysore, Brindavan Gardens, Srirangapatnam, Hampi, Sravana Bijapur, Kolar Gold Mines near Bengaluru are the places of interest in Karnataka. 2. Fill in the blanks choosing the words from the help box. Conceptual understanding. You have won. 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 Three. State whether the statements are true T or false F. Conceptual understanding. You have won. 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 4. Project work. Ask the students to collect the pictures of important places of interest in Karnataka and stick them in their project book. Do these. 1. Answer the following questions. Conceptual understanding. 1. Where is Tamil Nadu located? Answer. Tamil Nadu is situated on the southeastern side of the Indian peninsula. It is bounded on the east by the Bay of Bengal, in the south by the Indian Ocean, in the west by the states of Kerala and Karnataka, and in the north by Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. 2. Describe briefly the history of Tamil Nadu. Answer. Tamil Nadu was variously ruled by the Cheras, Cholas, and Pandyas prior to the Christian era. Later, the reign of the Pallavas began. The Muslim invasion led to the establishment of the Bahmani Empire. Later, the Vijayanagara Empire came to an end in the Battle of Tallikota. The kingdom was given to the Nayaks to rule. The end of the century saw the East India Company establish itself in the south. 3. What are the important rivers that flow through Tamil Nadu? Answer. Kaveri, Ponnayar, Palar, Viper are the rivers that flow through Tamil Nadu. 4. Which dresses are worn by the people of Tamil Nadu? Answer. Shirt, dhoti or lungi, tundu, sari, blouse, pavadais are worn by the people of Tamil Nadu. 5. What are the crops grown in Tamil Nadu? Answer. Rice, cereals, pulses, sugarcane, tea and coffee are the crops grown in Tamil Nadu. Two. Fill in the blanks choosing the words from the help box. Conceptual understanding. 3. State whether the statements are true T or false F. Conceptual understanding. 4. Project work. Ask the students to collect the pictures of important places of interest in Tamil Nadu and stick them in their project book. Do these. 1. Answer the following questions. Conceptual understandings. 1. Where is Kerala located? Answer. Kerala is a small state tucked away in the southwest corner of India. It is bounded by Karnataka on the north, Tamil Nadu on the east, Indian Ocean on the south, and Arabian Sea on the west. 2. Describe briefly the history of Kerala. Answer. When India became free, one of the first steps taken by independent India was to amalgamate small states together so as to make them viable administrative units. Accordingly, Travancore and Cochin states were integrated to form Travancore Cochin state. However, Malabar remained as part of the Madras province. Travancore, Cochin state and Malabar were united to form the state of Kerala on 1st November 1956. 3. What are the rivers that flow in Kerala? Answer. The rivers that flow in Kerala are Beypur, Ponnani, Periyar and Pembiyar. 4. Which crops are grown in Kerala? Answer. Rice, cereals, millets, pulses, tapioca, rubber, coconut, banana, ginger, tea and coffee are the important crops grown in Kerala. 2. Fill in the blanks choosing the words from the help box. Conceptual understanding. 3. State whether the statements are true T or false F. Conceptual understanding. 4. Project work. Ask the students to collect the pictures of important places of interest in Kerala and stick them in their project book.